Ay guys, malapit na kami matapos guys. So naka 200 plus na si Uncle Harry. Yan guys, oh. Kita niyo yan guys. Oh. Ganyan kabilis ang counting guys, oh. Oh. Yan oh. Kita niyo yan guys. Oh. Walang paltos yan ang counting machine. Yan guys, oh. Lapit na kami matapos guys. Guys, last one. Guys, ito lahat na benta namin guys, oh. 2,349 pieces. So total ng dollars is 234.90 cents. Yan lahat na benta namin guys. Yan. So, we-withdraw na ni Uncle Harry guys.